Lost the job? Here's how to bounce back stronger. One moment everything feels secure, and the next it's gone, leaving a void that feels insurmountable. Breathe. Panic won't pay the bills. Calm brings clarity. Review your finances. Cut unnecessary expenses immediately. Update your resume. Your next door needs a fresh key. Network. Opportunities hide in conversations. Learn a new skill. Grow while you wait. Stay mentally strong. Rejection is redirection. 3 months later, new job, better pay and peace. Why? He acted, not reacted. A job loss isn't identity loss. Downtime is prep time. The setback might be your setup. Don't give up, the best is yet to come. Your case isn't the worst. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and drop your thoughts. Someone out there needs this hope. Embrace the journey ahead. It's filled with possibilities. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Believe in your resilience. It's your greatest asset. Take each day as a new opportunity to grow and thrive. Surround yourself with positivity and supportive people. Set realistic goals and celebrate small victories. Keep pushing forward even when the path seems unclear. Remember, growth often comes from stepping outside your comfort zone. Trust the process. Every experience shapes your journey. Stay open to new opportunities. They often come when least expected. Your story is still being written. Make each chapter count. Heartbreak can feel like an insurmountable mountain, but it is also the first step towards profound personal growth. Crying is essential. It's a release, a way to acknowledge the depth of your pain. Talking to trusted friends can provide clarity, reminding you that you are not alone in your feelings. Cutting ties is crucial. It allows you to create boundaries and avoid unnecessary pain. Writing it down can be therapeutic, providing a safe space for your thoughts and emotions to flow freely. Deleting reminders around you helps create a fresh environment, making space for new beginnings. Focusing on self-care is vital. Prioritize your health, sleep, and nourishment to rebuild your strength. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself, freeing your heart from the burden of resentment. Rediscovering passions can ignite your spirit, reminding you of the joy that exists outside of past relationships. Avoiding rebounds is essential for true healing. Take the time to mend before diving into new connections. Believing in love again opens your heart to the possibilities of a brighter future where the right person will cherish you. Months later, you find yourself with the same heart but stronger and wiser, ready to embrace love without desperation. Disappointment can feel like a heavy weight, but for winners, it's just a stepping stone to something greater. Feel it. Don't fake strength. Accept it. Reality heals faster than denial. Talk to someone. Pain shared is pain halved. Refocus. Shift from what's lost to what's left. Learn that failure has lessons success can't teach. Adjust your goals. Life isn't over, just redirected. Believe again. One no doesn't cancel your destiny. She didn't give up. Months later, another stage awaited her. Same girl. And in this time, the world clapped. Disappointment is a detour, not the end. Emotions are valid. Process them. Growth often hides behind the no. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and drop your thoughts below. Someone needs your story. Thank you for following along with this journey. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Keep pushing forward. The best is yet to come. Your story is still being written. Make it a bestseller. Embrace the journey, for it shapes who you are meant to be. Every challenge is an opportunity to rise stronger. Believe in your power to change the narrative. Your journey is uniquely yours. Cherish every moment. Step forward with courage. The future awaits. Your resilience will inspire others. Be the light. Every step you take leads to new horizons. Celebrate your victories, big and small. They all matter.